Hey everybody, I'm Chad Husted with Hardware Retailing. We're here on a beautiful sunny day in Colfax, Indiana at Wright Hardware, and I'm here with owner Jason Wright, talking a little bit about HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Jason, definitely an area category that you're going to have. Every hardware retailer is going to have something in this category, some more than others, but it's a difficult category considering how much maintenance goes into it and the qualifications for that kind of maintenance people are going to have. But before we get into it, talk to us a little bit about Wright Hardware, a little bit of the history.
Wright Hardware was founded by my grandfather in 1937. I'm third generation. My dad is retired now. Started out as my grandfather was an electrician and grew into the hardware store. We also, in the coming years since then, we have started a propane gas business, and that's a big part of our daily activities. And we're also a HVAC contractor. We do heating and cooling services.
Absolutely. So a lot of services being provided here at Wright Hardware. Definitely into that category, being able to assist your customers through the store, kind of a one-stop shop for you guys,
yes,
particularly with the HVAC area. So talk to us a little bit about how retailers can best provide services for customers looking for HVAC service, kind of like what you guys do.
Well, in our application, we not only sell products for the heating and cooling industry, we also service and install those products. So we with keeping a safety conscious mind ahead of us always, try to determine what the customer needs and try to determine if that's something they can repair themselves. So we don't offer a lot of products for retail sales because that's the business plan. Our desire is to generate service work orders and go out and complete these tasks.
And that's definitely a safety thing as well, with the qualifications that you need to work on refrigerants and things like that, or with your heating equipment. So it really does make sense to have those kinds of services in-house. And what are some of for a retailer that isn't necessarily going to have those services in-house, what are some of the ways they can best serve their customers in this category?
The best thing we would recommend would have a list of qualified contractors that they personally know, and have worked with, that they can recommend to their customers. Whether it be plumbers, or electricians, or HVAC technicians. It's always good to have a couple ideas for any customer might be having those needs.
So definitely adding this to the categories that involve those skilled tradespeople, like you said, that involves electricians, plumbers. So making sure that HVAC isn't kind of forgotten in that category, making sure you have some names to provide those customers when things, if your air conditioning unit isn't working, customer is really not qualified to tear that thing apart. You're going to need somebody to do it.
That's right. And we don't want to be in a position where we're trying to coach a customer how to fix their air conditioner or their gas furnace. For safety reasons, this is not a smart thing to do.
Absolutely. So given that fact that you guys are in the service industry, but not everybody's going to be, what are some products, both that you guys offer, but other retailers can also offer, that expand a little bit, that customers can use safely themselves, that retailers want to maybe make sure are on their shelves if they're trying to give them the best options? Yeah,
a good thing to start with would be a wide variety of air filters, a wide variety of programmable and non-programmable thermostats. Some of these thermostats are simple, but homeowners can install them themselves. And if you're not in the HVAC servicing business, it's a good idea to have a variety of furnace pipe and fittings on hand. Registers and grills are good things to have. And of course, all your pipe installations and winterizing things that you would need for the winter and summer seasons.
Absolutely. Well, Jason, thank you so much. This has been Chad Husted with Hardware Retailing, talking a little bit about heating and air conditioning. We'll catch you next time.